Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 28 of FACEMASKTOBER and I have a three-part one that I am doing today. So this is actually 3 different peel-off face masks by Masqueology. It says it's the Color Shine peel-off mask. So we're going to be doing one today, one tomorrow, and one on the day after that. So it's going to be 3 different parts. So you'll have to watch today's video, tomorrow's video, and the day after that. So it'll be the 28th, 29th, and 30th. And the one that we're going to do today is going to be the top one. This one is for fine lines and wrinkles. It's the gold mask. The purple one is for dryness, and the silver one is for dark spots and dullness. So, and just to let you know too, I am going to be doing all 3 of these masks today filming, but the other ones aren't going to be posted until their corresponding days, so the 28th, 29th, 30th. And that is what it's going to be. I'm trying to pre-film because I'm going to be gone the week that these go up, and I won't have time to film them for you. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started here. So the first one for fine lines and wrinkles, the gold mask, says it's the gold peel off mask is designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, keeping the skin firm and tight for a younger looking complexion. The directions say to apply a thin, even layer over the entire face, avoiding eyebrow and hairline. Should say avoiding eyebrows and hairline, but maybe some people only have one eyebrow. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes until completely dry and peel off. And it does say the key ingredients are 24K gold, 24 karat gold, and andosine and collagen for this one. And then it has main ingredients down below, which are a bunch of words I don't know how to pronounce. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the first one. Okay, so I think I was able to squeeze out as much as I possibly could. I am trying to keep the package intact, that way I have it for the next 2 videos. And this is what I got out of there. It's really, as you can tell, not a whole lot, so I hope it covers my face. I don't feel like I have a very big face, but I still don't feel like that's a lot that you get in there. So since this is just a mask that we peel off, and it should dry pretty quick, we're just gonna put the hair back. I don't think I should have to worry about my hair getting in it too much. And then I have my little applicator here that I like to use. Starting off with the main areas first, just because there isn't a whole lot in here. I really don't know how far I'm going to get with this. Okay, so that's pretty much all of it. I can't really get any more out of there, and if I did, I'd probably just start moving around on my face and it wouldn't look very well. So I really wish that they gave you more product. However, as I was applying this, I started to think maybe this is one of those like multi-mask things, so you can put the mask on the certain areas that need that, and then you can use all three of them. I was kind of thinking that as I was putting it on, maybe it's supposed to be for different spots of your face, but I mean, I pretty much almost covered my entire face. I still would have liked to have done around here, even though normally I don't because of like my little hairs that are right here, but I could have gone up a little bit more. I could have gone more along my neck, and I could have made sure it was more of an even coat. I feel like it's kind of spotty. So I'm just noticing that right off the bat. We are going to set the phone. We're just going to do the full 30 minutes because I do know that these kind of masks usually take a little bit longer to dry. Okay, so I have it set for 30 minutes, so once it's up, we will come back and peel it off. Alright, so we are back. It has been it's been the 30 minutes, and it's time to go ahead and peel this mask off. I got my selfies in, so we're good. That wasn't bad at all. What was that mask that we did already that was a peel off? And that hurt. Oh, I'm trying to remember which one that was. I'll have to go back and look because I don't remember. But oh, it was the color changing one. That one hurt. That was awful. This was not that bad at all. And it came off in one piece too. I'm shocked. I really didn't think it would just because I felt like there wasn't a whole lot there to work with. Let me see if I got any pieces left on my face. Yeah, I can still see some around where the edge was. So I'll just grab one of my wipes here. Alright, looks like I got all of it off. So the gold one again was for fine lines and wrinkles. I still see my wrinkles and whatnot up there. I still see my fine lines around my eyes, which obviously I didn't have it around my eyes. But I still enjoyed it, and I like the fact that this comes with 3, and it's really pretty color. I wish there was a little bit more product that they gave you. Not a lot, but just a little bit more. And yeah, it peeled off really easily. It dried quickly. It didn't take longer than 30 minutes to dry. Sometimes, like, on the cheeks, they take a little bit longer to dry. Yeah, so definitely excited to do the other 2. So that's everything for this mask for today. If you've tried it out yet, or if you're going to go pick it up, please comment down below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, which will be the purple one, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.